Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you on how you can make money by doing just simple tasks that you're doing every single day. Imagine this, a platform like Facebook, where you post pictures, comments every day, likes, but you're not getting paid even a penny. So these companies are just massively taking their profit. But this site which I'm going to show you today is going to pay you for every activity that you're doing, and I'm going to show you the secret method that you are going to do to increase your earning up to 100%. Straightforward without wasting time. Go to the link in the description below and paste it in your browser. Like for this case I'm going to use Chrome. So once you click the link in the description below, it will bring you to a site that it looks like this, where you're going to sign up. Once you sign up using your email password, you will come to your dashboard. And the dashboard looks very easy to understand and easy to interpret. So this platform is called Black Squibby. It's especially made for only black people. So if you're not black, don't use this website because you're not going to profit. So it's not kind of racial or racial but it's especially used for only for black people, where the black come to discuss. It's a community for only for the black. So in this case, so you can see it's quite very easy to understand. The dashboard, the home button. So let me take you a quick tutorial on this website, and you can see on even how to cash out. So in this platform, the home tab is kind of very easy to understand. In this place is where you post pictures, and it has also the referral system where you can earn from your referrals, and it's massively, you can earn very massively. You can upload videos, pictures, and earn from them real earnings, and very real earnings, and very easy. You can write an article and earn from it. Let's take a look at this page here, where you can see where these are other forums within this forum, where you can just join them and continue earning by posting the related content in that. So let's take a look at this post. This post, it's just talking about the weather in Texas, in the Black Squibby main handle, and let's see how much this person is earning. So let's say this person posted this. He has earned this from posting just this article. He has earned this from posting this article. And let's take an example of how he has gotten this earning. He has gotten the earning from being given a score. A score is down here. So a person came and gave him an excellent score, that is 5, and somebody shared his post that he got those 6 blank squibby, that is actually $0.01. So that's what he has, and just by posting this, very simple, very easy, and this is the total earning that he has in his account. Okay, let's take an example of another post. Let's say this post. This person has $0.62, and in this one he has earned 3 blank squibby, and this is another post here, and also it goes on and on and on. Let's say this is a post that is doing well, but it's from the admin. Yes, and this one, when people have commented on it, when people have liked it, yes, and given a score of 5 5, that's excellent. People shared his post, that is 21 blank scribble. You see, very easy to earn, just posting and very easy to earn. So it's kind of as simple as that. So let me show you on how you can earn real money using this platform. It is quite very simple. As you can see, the notification area, messages, and people are online. Very easy. This is my dashboard. Now let me show you on how you can make some earning here. So you come to this earn button, and once you enter into the earn button, you can see here the referral system, and here you are getting paid to post links. That is why you will be sharing these links. This is the most very good opportunity to earn. You are given a link to post them everywhere. When that link is clicked, you earn this kind of amounts. So let's say 1,000 people click this one, that will be 10,000 blank scribbling. Okay, blanks. How you can earn the blanks? So like if 1,000 people click this one, that's a 5,000 blanks. The same here, the same. So there are a lot. There are a lot of them. There are a lot. You see, are a lot of them. So once you share these links, quite very simple. People clicking on them, you can cash out this money. So the minimum cash out is here. Now let me show you on how to cash out this blank scribble. Quite very simple and very easy. You just come here to the balance, or you just click cash out here. Very easy. The minimum one is $5. So once you have 5,000 blanks, you can cash out using PayPal. It's very easy, very simple. You can also cash out using Bitcoin. Those I realize that PayPal is kind of very rational, and also going to the front that is blocking earnings, kind of such things. Okay, you can withdraw using Bitcoin, also PayPal, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. So those are the most known methods on how to cash out here. So once you reach those 5,000 blamps, and I've told you the easiest way to reach those 5,000 blamps is sharing the links, getting clicks on those links, and getting paid. So it's very easy. You can just buy this one, and then you just add PayPal settings, and then it will be sent to your PayPal immediately. And the most important thing about this website is getting a Blackguard certificate. I hope I got that one right. The Blackguard certificate is showing that you are really black. And to get this black certificate, there are requirements that you have to achieve. Let's say for me, I'm not eligible to have it, but you can see to qualify to get a Blackguard, you must have a member Blackguard voucher for you, and have invited 50 verified members with complete profits. Admin will not voucher for your qualification. So it's kind of very simple. By sharing the links here, you get certified. Once you reach 50, you will get certified, and it's kind of very easy to reach that 50 people, because many people have not joined it, many black people have not joined, and many millions are using social media. So it's kind of very easy. It's a good place. You can come, comment, post, and continue earning. It's kind of very easy. So for those that are very interested, click the link in the description below, and you set up a profile and start earning. In my next video, I'm going to show you on how you are going to get people to click on your links. Unlimited guide. Thanks for watching.